Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp. This is Introduction to CSS for Developers, the part about typography. We're going to talk about font size. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about points. Okay, so points is the traditional measurement for font size. And the way it works is there are 72 points in an inch. And so a sixth of an inch is 12 points, and a sixth of an inch is also a pica. So 12 points is a pica, and that was your normal body copy size. So in a book, you would start with 12-point type normally. So if we change the body copy here to be 12 points, we probably won't see that much of a difference because that's probably pretty close to what it already is. But let's check it out. Let's see. We've got all right, we'll do it up here. So we're going to make the base font size for the whole HTML document be font size 12 points. Okay, we will save that and refresh it. Okay, so that's 12-point type. A sixth of an inch, a pica, right? So 12-point type, that's normal for books. 10-point type is normal for newspapers, so like newsprint. Let's save that. Let's refresh. Okay, so it's smaller, and that is a traditional newsprint size. Let's see. 8-point would be like fine print. Okay, so if you have a lot of side effects for your prescription that you need to list, you might want to do 8-point. It gets a little bit crazy if you try to go too low. Okay, yeah, I could hurt myself and maybe make out some of those words. It'd be good. On the other end, let's put this back to 12. Alright, so an inch is 72 points. I guess I should refresh that. An inch is 72 points. Let's make this headline here 72 points. So we're going to make all of our H1s font size 72 points. So that should be about an inch. Save that. Alright, 1-inch letters. Excellent. And remember, our style sheet is linked to all of these pages. That's kind of fun, actually. It's too big for that page. Have to horizontal scroll. Alright, so 72 points. In a newspaper, that would be like a gigantic headline, like, Kennedy assassination or something. Okay, let's try 36. That's half an inch. Yeah. You also see 24 and 18. So all of these are sort of traditional font sizes for display type. So 10 for newsprint, 12 for books, 18, 24, 36 for headlines, 72 for a giant headline, and those are your traditional font sizes that get used a lot. Okay, now that's for print. For the web, things are a little bit different. For one thing, your browser might not know exactly how big your screen is or exactly what your resolution is set to, so the browser might not know exactly how to make an inch, how to make exactly 12-point type. So if you got out a ruler and measured these things, they might not be quite exactly right, and it might be different on a phone, and it might be different on a 4K screen. And so trying to rely on physical world resolutions or physical world font sizes is kind of tricky. So a better way to do it is to make your font sizes proportional to each other, and that's what we'll talk about in the next lesson. Thank you.